everybody, it's Fallon, and today I'm going to be doing the SKF squishy tag. So yeah, there's 8 questions to this tag. So yeah, let's get right into it. So, question 1. So I have it just wrote down. A squishy with the same color as your hair. I'm just going to say the Fat Cat crack color, but here it is. It's like kind of, not really, but this is the only squishy I have. Well, do you see like these little brownish dots? They kind of match a little bit better. It's just my hair right now starting to get darker because in the sunlight it's really, really blonde. As you can see, it's sunny a little bit, so yeah. But here is the squishy. And sorry I don't have an editor to my videos, but yeah. And it cracks. And here is the packaging. It's really cute. So that was the same squishy with the color of your hair. Kind of. Okay. Next question is... You didn't see that. Cheapest slow rising squishy. Okay, so I picked the Silly Squishies emoji blind box, one of the emojis. These are $2.49, I think. Yeah, they're $2.49 on their website. And it does come with packaging. But here's the one that I have. It's the rolling eyes emoji. And just watch how squishy it is. Like, it's like squishier than my panda bun. It's still rising. Here's the back of it. Just so squishy. You can freaking see my fingerprints. This is just so amazing. Okay. Come on, box. Get in. Don't fight with me. Okay. The 4th question is a squishy you keep in mint condition. Which that means really good condition, is my Cafe DN cream puff. I keep it in very good condition because the Cafe DN squishies get defected real easily, and the packaging comes apart pretty easy, which I think, and they're super squishy. So as you can see, it's the original packaging because of this, but just look how squishy it is, like. Here's the back. Just so squishy. It has a golden ball chain. So yeah. Okay, next question is, I'm pretty sure, yep, a squishy you would actually eat. That would have to be my Island strawberry. Like, look at it. It looks so real, and I love strawberries. Like, yeah. So let's take it out of the packaging. By the way, the packaging is like on point and has a red ball chain. It smells just like strawberries, like, okay. And look how realistic it looks. I just love strawberries. I would eat this definitely. So squishy. So yeah, let me just put this back in. I'm sorry if you hear that noise. Like, my neighbors, they decided to mow their lawn today. It's like 50 degrees. Like, what the crap are you doing? Okay, I have to reach. Next question is squishy that creeps you out. Okay, so this squishy really doesn't creep me out, but it's a little bit creepy, though. I had to pick my Cafe Barson slipper. I'll tell you about it after I show you the squishy. Okay, and then here it is. Okay, I think it creeps me out because, look, its face has, like, no smile, and it's just, like, staring at you like, I want to know what you're doing. But it's so squishy otherwise. Really squishy, and I love it. It's cute, but a little bit freaky at the same time. Okay, next question. Look to the left and find an item you would want to be a squishy. Okay, let's look to the left. I'm just going to move you along. So, yeah. What is this? Oh, this would be cool. I guess. I mean, I think it'd be cool for like an Easter egg to be a squishy. Just look how cute this is. I wish it was a squishy. Could squish it, but that's what I think I'd like to be a squishy. Because it's so cute and yeah. I'd have a lot of explanations for that, but I'm not going to waste time. Okay. 7th question. Squishy as soft as a pillow. There's nobody here. Definitely my Eric marshmallow cake. Really squishy. But I'll take it out for you guys. I lost the ribbon to this and the tag. My cat got to it, and yeah, that's why I don't have it, but I still have the original packaging. Oh my god. I got this off of Silly Squishies for $15. Like, it smells like vanilla. Here it is. Just so soft. See, I have no effort, like, to squish this. And it's like as soft as a marshmallow. It feels like a marshmallow. It feels like it's going to break when you squish it, like marshmallows, but just let it rise. Yeah. And it has strawberries. And it's really cute. What was that? Was that like my mom or something? She's probably really tired or something. I don't know. But it's really, really squishy. And I wish this was a pillow. Like, and it's very big. Just wrap this up again. The struggles. So yeah. Okay, last question is prettiest squishy. My Hello Kitty donut. I have 2 of them, but I just picked this one because it's like an original one. But yeah, I definitely picked this. Here is the tag to reproduce. But look how pretty it is. It's so bright. The bow is so bright. There's the back. There's the licensing. Let's give it a squish. It has a pop-up, but I still love it. My first squishy ever, like. Okay, so that is all the questions for the SKF Squishies tag. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye.